So we created this widget class, and it was mapped by JPA into a equivalent table. Now, just like there's a naming disparity on how we name things in Java and how we name things in SQL, like for instance, camel casing, there's also some conventions that in Java, typically your classes, you use nouns for your classes, right? And usually they are singular nouns. As opposed to the convention in MySQL or in SQL in general is that classes, the tables would typically be also nouns, but they would be plural, right? So by default, JPA is not enforcing this convention, right? But we can override if we don't want that particular name for the table, or if a table already exists and we need to map to the name of a table that already exists, right? We can override this by using the table annotation and say that the name of the table that I want to map to is called widgets, right? Plural. Right? Now, if we refresh and restart the server, what we'll do is that it will not try to alter the old table. Instead, it'll create a brand new one from scratch, right? So it will not rename it. Instead, it'll just create a brand new one. So if we refresh over here, you'll notice that now we have two tables: the old widget table and we have the widgets table, right? And we're not going to use the old widget table, so I'm just gonna drop the table, and we can just drop it now. It's gone.